Live for teacher.
Alev's future plans.
Let's listen.
Alev is 8 years old and lives in a quiet village. She loves to dream about the future. Her grandma asks, Alev, what job do you want when you grow up? Alev thinks, I don't know, but I will find out. First, Alev visits the farm. A farmer feeds cows and picks apples. Alev says, farms are fun. I like animals. Then she goes to the restaurant. A chef cooks a delicious meal. Alev smells it and smiles. I like cooking. Maybe I will be a chef. Next, she walks past the taxi station. A driver helps a family get in the car. Alev says, drivers go everywhere. I want to travel too. After that, Alev stops at the health center. A dentist checks a girl's teeth. Dentists make teeth strong and white. That is nice, Alev says. Last, she visits a construction site. A builder puts bricks on a house. Alev says, building is hard, but it makes people happy. Alev laughs. I like many jobs. I will learn more. One day I will find my favorite.
Reading time. Speaking time. You have 3 minutes.
Live for teacher.